Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood garage with the liquid ice buffing system. Cleaning up a new paint job or revitalizing an old one never got easier. Other brands have confusing compounds and pads to try and match up when you're buffing. Norton has simplified the process with one compound and 3 easy to read pads, and all you need to do is work through the pads as you clean up your paint job. To get that show car finish, use step 1 and apply liquid ice directly on the pad. The wool pad is the most aggressive step and will cut through deep scratches. Next, move on to the blue pad. This will remove any and all swirl marks left behind from step 1. And finally, use the white pad to get the high gloss finish you're looking for. Use the supplied detailer spray to remove any leftover residue. This system is great for either brand new paint jobs or older paint jobs that need to be brought back to life. This whole system fits any standard size buffer with a 5/8 by 11 arbor. For more information to be able to purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.